Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about how to thicken your hair. So I have two photos, one that I took early last year and the other one I took this year. So both of them I have mini braids on as a protective style, but I kind of noticed that there's a difference. The first one is my hair looks it looks okay, but the other one looks like my hair has thickened a little bit more. So I thought about coming to you guys and making a video on how to, get your hair thickened. So if you're interested in knowing how to do so, then keep on watching. When I talk about having my hair thickened, I don't mean that it's like there's an extreme difference, but there's definitely some kind of difference. And I'll insert them over here, right up here. And I'm actually having a notebook just so that I don't forget my points. So I think the first thing that has contributed to the thickening of my hair is that I always trim my ends. I don't have a particular kind of period of time where I trim my hair. It's not like I do it like after every 3 months or 2 weeks or 1 year or anything. I just do it when I notice that I have split ends. Now split ends are bad just because once you have the split ends and you don't trim them, they tend to move up the hair shaft, okay? So in the long run, it makes your hair look like it's thin, and that's not a good thing. So every single time you notice that you have split ends, always ensure that you trim them. So that way your ends will look thicker or fuller, just as your, the starting parts of your hair is, if that makes sense. I hope so. So the second thing is that it's not like I've been doing it purposefully, but I believe that eating foods that are rich in protein also help in thickening your hair. Things like avocado, eggs, and things of the like. So if you eat foods that are rich in protein, then definitely that will contribute to thickening of your hair. And also one thing is that our hair and nails are made of proteins. If that makes sense. I hope so. I hope I'm saying the right thing. But yes, it is. So if you eat foods that are rich in protein, then definitely your hair and your nails will be healthier and will have fuller and healthy and thicker hair. Yes. The third thing is putting your hair in protective styles. Like, I know I've said this over and over again, and I don't think I'll stop saying it because it's true. If you avoid touching your hair, most especially if you have 4C hair or type 4 hair, if you avoid touching your hair every single time, then it means that your hair will grow to its maximum potential. Yeah. So always ensure that you put your hair in protective styles. Every single time you tend to touch your hair, even if you're combing or styling or whatever, or detangling, we tend to lose some strands of hair. So you can imagine if you put your hair away for a period of time, then definitely means that your hair loses less strands, and therefore your hair will tend to be thicker or fuller, if that makes sense. And another thing is reducing the amount of brushing and combing that you do on your head. The less brushing and combing you do, definitely the more reason why your hair is going to look fuller and thicker. So that calls for you to do more protective styles, if that makes sense as well. And then last but not least, using hair oils that promote having thicker or fuller hair. Yeah. So for example, you can use castor oil or shea butter. I think castor oil most especially contributes, or rather promotes, thickening of hair. So that's what I use. So that's what I hopefully believe contributes to also thickening of my hair. So definitely try and do your research and get to know what kind of hair oils contribute to the thickening of your scalp. And then just a disclaimer, when I say that your hair, that if you do these things your hair gets thicker or fuller, what I mean is it's not like it will be like there'll be a huge difference, like extreme, because we have not cuticles. When I say that you can have fuller or thicker hair when you do these things, what I mean is it's not like your hair will be extreme, but there'll definitely be a difference. But the thing is, we have a, how do I put it, like we have hair follicles. Yeah, we have hair follicles. Now the number of hair follicles on your hair, on your head, determines the amount of hair you have on your scalp. You're just trying to maintain the amount of hair that you have on your head, but your hair follicles are what determine the amount of hair that you have on your head. So there are people who have naturally thick, like extremely thick hair, and there are people who have extremely, let me say, light hair. Yeah, so it depends on the amount of hair follicles that you have on your scalp. Now hair follicles look like skin, the pores that you have on your skin. You can't change the amount of pores that you have on your skin, just the same way you can't change the amount of hair follicles that you have on your scalp. Yeah, so in short, you can't change the number of hair follicles that you have on your scalp, but you can try your level best to maintain the amount of hair that you have on your scalp, if that makes sense. Yeah, so if you have naturally thin hair, you can't do anything about it, and if you have naturally thick hair, you can't do anything as well. The only thing is you're trying to maintain the amount of hair that you have on your scalp, which will lead to the thickening of your scalp. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was educative or it helps you in one or the other. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. And up until the next video, bye bye.